be in the best shape. I am closer and closer to my ideal weight with each and every day. I feel my desire for fat-rich foods dissolving. I have a strong urge to eat only healthy foods and let go of any processed foods. My body is my temple, and I attentively take care of it every day by eating only healthy foods that heal and nourish me. I am aware that my metabolism is working in my advantage by helping me in gaining my optimal weight. I am attaining and maintaining my desired weight. I have the power to easily control my weight through a combination of healthy eating and exercising. I am grateful to my body for all the things it does for me. Every cell in my body is healthy and fit, and so am I. I feel my body losing weight in every single moment of the day. I always chew my food properly so that my body can digest it and take out the nutrients I need to lose weight. I believe in my ability to change my habits and create new, positive ones. I no longer feel the urge to stuff my body with unhealthy foods. I can easily resist temptations